Hi, and welcome to Kornit Experience Center. My name is Amit, and today I'll present Kornit's new flagship product for the polyester market, the Atlas MAX Poly. The Atlas MAX Poly is Kornit's specialty flagship solution for high-volume DTG printing on polyester. The process and print engine were specifically designed to answer the challenges of existing polyester embellishment technologies. The MAX Poly is based on our groundbreaking MAX technology, which sets a new standard for on-demand printing and production. The Atlas MAX Poly is the latest member of the MAX family, where we joined the Atlas MAX and the Presto MAX. The MAX is the most advanced printing engine, generating high-quality results without compromising on productivity. In the Atlas MAX Poly's case, we developed a process which utilizes specially designed consumables to generate excellent results on polyester. The ProGuard, designed to protect white solid areas from the effect of dye migration. The Q-Fix Poly, jetted alongside the inks to boost print quality by preventing bleeding and ghosting, even at top production speeds. And the Poly Intensifier. This consumable, which is also jetted alongside the inks, improves the durability of the print, assures the print's robustness, and delivers a great hand feel. True to its name, Kornit Atlas MAX Poly is based on our highly successful Atlas platform for high-volume manufacturing. It is a DTG placement print digital printer. That means it can effectively print on different areas of a ready-made garment, rather than all over prints. As you can see, the control of the system, the selection of the images for print, and setup assignment is done via an easy-to-use single operating station. The use of this station is intuitive and requires very little training. The system is equipped with two pallets, which are used simultaneously to print two garments in parallel. These can be of different designs or even different garment types. This capability provides great flexibility in arranging different workflows. Using the standard pallet, we can print mostly t-shirts, jerseys, and pullovers. However, the system is offered with a wide variety of different pallets to support many additional applications, such as hoodies, leggings, and more, with the maximal printing area reaching up to 90 centimeters by 60 centimeters. The heart of the system and printing process is our printhead carriage. We have 21 printheads delivering the inks, CMYK, white, neon yellow, and neon pink, and functional consumables, ProGuard, Q-Fix, and Intensifier. All our consumables are environmentally friendly and are EcoPassport certified. They are stored in an easily accessible cabinet as shown in the video. Once the garment is printed, it's unloaded and placed in the dryer for curing. This entire process is done relatively fast and allows us to reach a production rate of up to 90 printed garments per hour. The Atlas MAX Poly also has several unique hardware components which were designed to improve its performance. It has built-in wash and wipe system, which automatically cleans the printing heads. By regularly cleaning at the printing heads, we can assure printing quality is retained while lifespan of the printing heads is extended. The Atlas MAX Poly has a proprietary hardware called Air Knife. It's actually blowing very hot air on the external layer of the garment, removing loose fibers and creating a smooth printing surface. This technology makes it possible to achieve amazing print quality even on brushed polyester garments. Finally, the system has a built-in wrinkle detection system using smart laser. This system generates user notification in case the surface of the fabric isn't even and might cause damage to the printheads. Now, let's understand how all this brings significant value to our customers. The first point I'd like to emphasize is that the Atlas MAX Poly is the most efficient solution out there for printing on polyester fabrics in short runs of under 100 pieces per design, and I'll explain why. It's the only single-step process for printing on polyester. That means that no overheads and setup times are required in order to print, even when doing batch sizes of one item. You just load the garment, press a button, and that's it. You're good to go. Average printing time, including loading and unloading of the garment, is less than 1 minute. Since the system has two pallets, which prints in parallel, it can print up to 90 garments per hour when printing large images on dark garments. When printing on light garments or when printing smaller images, the system can even deliver more than 100 garments per hour. Only one operator is required in order to operate in the system. In addition, training time for a new operator is relatively short, and a new joiner to the team can be trained in less than a day. Also, important to note that the Atlas MAX Poly can print any design you have in mind, with no limitations and no compromise on resolution, vividness, and level of details. It's actually the only technology which can print semi-gradients and semi-transparent prints on dark polyester. This is why you can leverage its capabilities to replace multiple existing equipment types. Lastly, while the Atlas MAX Poly is a specialty system which was designed to overcome the technological challenges of printing on polyester and polyester blends, it can deliver excellent results when printing on 100% cotton or cotton-rich blends as well. The curing profile for cotton remains the same as for polyester, so no workflow revisions are required to support hybrid job flow. The Atlas MAX Poly owner can allocate both polyester and cotton-based jobs to the system and retain maximum efficiency in the process. Printing on polyester is challenging. The main issue any printing technology is facing is dye migration. The Atlas MAX Poly has two mechanisms which work in parallel to inhibit dye migration. The innovative Neo Olympia ink is cured at low temperatures, which is usually below the activation temperature of dye migration. Basically, where possible, the process prevents dye migration instead of blocking it. However, when needed, ProGuard is also being used and is sprayed below the ink itself to act as a barrier layer between the print fabric's dyes and the print. An additional important performance parameter is durability. The Atlas MAX Poly's prints are robust and resistant. We can assure players who are looking for high durability that their needs will be met as we rigorously conduct wash fastness and dry rub tests. You can see here a print after 5 wash cycles and a tumble dry cycle. You can see that the print remains solid and complete and retain its vividness after being washed multiple times. A great advantage of the Neo Olympia inkset is the ability to retain the garment's elasticity. The Atlas MAX Poly prints can withstand being stretched as much as the fabric can without being damaged. The Atlas MAX Poly also delivers a premium hand feel, and the print itself is relatively light and attaches itself to the fabric in a seamless way. When compared to other printing technologies, the Atlas MAX Poly hand feel would be superior in most cases. It's evident that the Atlas MAX Poly opens many new doors even when speaking about standard prints. But it even has 2 innovative applications which expand the promise even further. The first application is Kornit's innovative XDI technology, which allows to print 3D designs. The XDI application allows to print embossed prints up to 300 nanometers and create effects which mimic high density or embroidery. An additional effect XDI can generate is vinyl transfer-like print, which is extremely popular when doing team sport customization. Printing in XDI allows to create premium designs which expand decoration range and increase your market offering. The icing on the cake is that XDI does not require any special inkset or hardware and is created simply by choosing the relevant setups before printing. The second application I'd like to elaborate on is neon colors. As previously discussed, the system's inkset includes CMYK inks as well as 2 neonic inks, yellow and pink. The system has built-in setups which incorporate neonic inks alongside the CMYK inks to create amazing neonic effects. Producing these prints does not require any intervention by a graphic designer. The user just uses a regular image and assigns one of the neon setups to produce these amazing effects. The neon inks also expand the printer's gamut by 50% in comparison to CMYK prints, which in turn improves color matching capabilities. Last but not least, we want to talk about Kornit's commitment to sustainability. The Atlas MAX Poly helps make fashion sustainable by eliminating overproduction and reducing waste through on-demand production. Any way you look at it, the Atlas MAX Poly brings true disruption to the polyester decoration market and offers game-changing efficiency and quality to its users. That's all for today's demo. For more details, please contact us at kornit.com.